हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं अब्दुल जलील हूँ। टुडे my work Samsung keypad any Samsung keypad phone privacy lock message option not okay, phone book not in privacy lock, security code reset, hard reset without any computer and laptop and PC. Okay, password, want to password, any folder in show password, unknown password, forget this password, one two three four manual password, wrong password, one two three four wrong password, one two three four five wrong password, master reset code not, this phone is reset. Okay, star 2767 star 3855 has press has and reset any Samsung keypad phone. This code is reset code 2767 star 3855 star 3855 has full reset just 1 minute after power 1 minute between auto reset. Okay, wait 1 minute, auto reset work auto. All keypad Samsung, remember this code star 2767 star 3855 has, remember it, star 2767 star okay in remember this code star 2767 star 3855 press has and reset. Okay, very easy this work, like same phone. Okay.